your everyday life. Oh, she fell.
Throughout this video, we will be asking questions that will pop up on screens that will look like this one.
We hope that you will try to answer these questions, because whoever answers the questions first will receive a Smartie for being a smarty. So let's start with the first question. What is gravity?
Gravity is the force pulling all matter together.
More matter, the more gravity. So larger things like planets and stars.
But who discovered gravity?
Sir Isaac Newton discovered gravity whenever he was sitting outside under a tree when an apple fell at his head. What's the gravitational pull of Earth?
Gravitational pull of Earth is 9.78 meters per second. But that's not what it is for all planets. Let's take a look.
Okay, like a smaller planet like Mercury only has a gravitational pull of 3.7 meters per second.
And a bigger planet like Jupiter is 24.79 meters per second.
This is a list of all the different gravitational pulls on each planet. Notice how the larger planets have a larger gravitational pull.
And the smaller planets have smaller gravitational pulls. Let's see how this affects our weight. Here's Mercury. Say on Earth, if you weigh 116 pounds, you weigh 43 pounds on Mercury.
What about on other planets?
I don't know, let's figure it out.
This is Jupiter!
On Jupiter, I'd weigh 274 pounds.
Whoa.
This is the equation to calculate the formula for gravitational pull between two objects.
So you might be wondering what that equation stands for. The F is the force that you're calculating, and G is the gravitational constant, which is 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11th. Now, M1 is the mass of the first object, and M2 is the mass of the second object, and R squared is the distance between them. So, let's see who can calculate the gravitational force between me and Mia.
The fastest.
Well, yes, the fastest.
Mass 1 is Leah.
145.
Mass 2 is 116.
And the distance between us is 5 feet. And the gravitational constant is 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11th.
Whoever gets it right gets a Smartie.
Because you're a smarty. Woo! Yay!
And you may be wondering how gravity affects the universe.
Gravity holds our universe together. It even holds our planets in orbit around the sun. Let's look at how that's done. And go.
You may think how the Earth rotates around the sun is like a circle. Here's the sun, Earth, and here's their gravitational pull. Like that. But it's not. There's a third party. Okay, when we add a theoretical point of gravity right here, and another string, our orbit turns into an ellipse shape. And you notice, whenever we get closer to the sun, our orbit comes faster. Over here, we're farther, so it's slow, and then back.
And that's what holds the universe together.
Thank you for watching
The Mia&Leah Show.